If you are looking for job opportunities in the aviation industry or just seeking aviation certifications like your FCC General Radio Telephone Operator License, Airframe, and Power Plant License, or your Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate, Avionixx is your solution. Our courses are designed to meet the dynamic demands of the aviation industry while helping you gain the knowledge that's needed to be successful. At Avionixx, we aim to deliver the best overall experience to each and every one of our clients by personalizing every interaction while providing speedy and exceptional service. Don't just take it from me. Here are a few testimonials from previous clients who have attended our courses.
Signing up, Alyssa was really able to help me do the Air Force School, and she was really accommodating, I guess, because I'm in a different time zone, like 14, 15 hours ahead of you guys. And I think she went out of her way to download an app just so she could call me because, I don't have an American number right now. So that was really cool of her.
I pretty much already recommended it to as many people as I could in my shop because it's like you were saying, you just showed us, it's preferred. It helps to have this license. I highly recommend it.
Advance your career with our affordable, military-friendly online courses designed to fit your unique lifestyle. Whether you're a civilian sector employee, active duty service member, or a veteran, our courses offer the flexibility and support that you need to succeed. Achieve your educational and professional goals now with Avionixx, where we bring aviation to the people.